Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python course. Okay, if you are a newbie here, then you might be thinking, welcome back, this is the first video of the course, right? Then how you are saying welcome back? So let me tell you, this is the continuation of the Python basic course that is also available on my YouTube channel. If you haven't checked it out and you are directly joining this course, then go just right now. You just need to check out that course, the Python basics. Once you are done with that, you can surely continue with this Python advanced course. Okay, so this is the video of the Python advanced course overview. And if you have already seen the Python basic course, then you might be thinking that I have already discussed the syllabus before, right? But why I am doing that again? Because you might have already seen the title of the video, okay, that this is the syllabus overview of the Python advanced course. But I had already done it on my very first video on the Python basic course, right? Why again? So I have made a few changes in the Python advanced course, right? Because when I was working on this Python course for you guys, so I figured out there are the few topics which are not necessary, which we can surely skip, and I can add a few new and interesting topics to this course, Python advanced course. That's why I have made a few changes here and there and try to make this course more awesome and more easy. So that's why this is the again once a syllabus overview of this Python advanced course. So let's start. Hello guys, and today I am starting the shoot for the Python advanced course after a long time, right? I completed my shoot and all these things for the Python basics a long time ago, and I was occupied with something. So today officially I started with the Python shoot for the Python advanced. So hope I'll finish it within a week, and it will be ready to roll out on my portal. So let's see that how it goes, and I hope you, if you liked my Python basic course, you will surely love this as well. And if you haven't, then just let me know. You can contact me on my email and let me know where I need to improve, right? I am here to teach you guys, and surely if you have any issues, then you can surely reach me out. So let's start with the Python advanced course overview. So what I have got in this Python advanced course. So initially we will start with the very basic and the very simplest topic of Python, that is file handling. So we will learn how to handle with the text files and how to put data inside it, how to fetch data and all these things. So this is the concept in Python that is called as file handling. So once we are done with the file handling, we will go with exception handling, because many a times these concepts go hand in hand, right? So after file handling, we will go to exception handling, that how to handle errors gracefully. So this are the beginning of this our Python advanced course, file handling and the exception handling. Once we are done with this, we will go with one of my favorite topic of Python or any programming language, that is object-oriented programming. So I also have got you object-oriented programming in Python, and that is a very deep concept that we will be covering, and with a hell lot of videos into that one single topic. So this is object-oriented programming that I have also put in this list. So once we are done with object-oriented programming, we will move ahead with a really small and interesting topic in Python, that is sets and maps. So we'll explore that as well, moving ahead to the database connectivity, right? If you are learning a particular language, you can't skip database connectivity. So I have got database connectivity for you guys, and we will be doing database connectivity with Mysql. Mysql is something that I love to work with. Yes, people are also using SQLite 3, the SQLite 3. But I don't know, I love MySQL, or I like to work with it, so we will be using MySQL, and surely you will also love it once we are done, or once we move ahead with the series. So I have got database. Then after database, again I have tried to make this course a bit interesting by adding two more things. That is, one is the pillow library in Python, and if you already have some previous knowledge, then you might be thinking, what is the need of this pillow library in Python? But surely, just to make the course interesting, and it is something that will teach you a lot of things, okay? If you further move on to web development or any other things, pillow library is something that you can surely work, okay? Pillow library is many a times used to manipulate images, right? So we will have fun with that as well. Then we will learn how to send an email using Python. This is one of our mini project in this series. So, and we'll have one big project as well at the end of the series, right? So for now, we will have a mini project, that is this sending an email. So once we go ahead, I have got multi-threading, right? It is one of the interesting topics, multi-threading. After that, I have got list comprehension. Again, some advanced but an interesting topic in Python, that is list comprehension. After the list comprehension, there are two really important, or I would say really great topics. One is API handling. This is one of the really important topics in Python or in any language, right? If you are learning a particular language, you need to know, or you need to understand that how you can handle APIs, how to work with an APIs. because not all the times we will be fetching data from the database, or sometimes we need to take the help of APIs as well. So what is an API? Application Program Interface. We will dive deep into that once we reach that topic. And after that we have web scraping. I have seen that burst for the students to learn web scraping. I don't know why, but it is really great topic, a simple one. Sometimes it goes to the gray side of the market, but still we will learn it into the limits, that is the web scraping. And once we are done with all these things, I think I have covered all of the indexes I have. So after that, the two more important concepts with irrespective to just Python but programming is the algorithms, that is searching algorithm and sorting algorithm. So we will be covering two searching algorithms and two sorting algorithms in this course as well. So with this we will wind up with the Python course. Rest you can give your feedback surely, because I am here to teach you and to know your feedbacks and learn from that and improve day by day from that. Okay, so this is the Python advanced syllabus. So let's start with the course, and I hope you will enjoy this.